Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am TrainingWali, head of interview department at Rahani School. As you guys know, I conduct an amazing English session on daily basis, and it's my task of AI teacher training course level 1 book 2. So hello Maya, how are you? First of all, I have to call to Maya, and I should have to allow her from here. Hello Maya, how are you?
It has
Maya, can you please tell me that today I want to talk to you about my mission. That what is my mission and how can I achieve it? So can we talk about it?
spelling
Yes.
पढ़ो तुक्के नहीं मारो काम करो छुट्टी बंद रहना पड़ोगी
Yes.
2 घंटे में मुझे ये
Yes. Can you please tell me that about my mission? That how can I achieve it? Yes, Maya, that's a good question. I want to independent emotionally. I'm financially strong. I am like I can make decisions, but emotionally I am very less strong. So I wanted to make myself emotionally strong. Yes, that's a great question. You know what? The people around is a very holistic persons, and they are always draining my energy and works like exhausting thing. And they like, yeah, they are saying always in being in developing in positive sides and negative sides. So they are always, when I am talking to everyone there, you are positive, you are negative, and they always are judging me. No one is supporting, no one is sit with me that what's your problem. They always judging me that you have bad intentions, you are not doing good work, you can't do anything. And if something is happening with me, And you know what, I'm not going in front of people to beg me and to give me something, but they always draining my energy. And whenever I sit with them, I take nothing. Like, you know what, I wanted to sit with the people like who is saying to me that we can do this, we can do this, but the people around me is like, you can't do this, and you cannot do this, you don't have a mission to do something. So you know what, it is so much exhausting, feeling demotivating, and it's like I'm very overwhelmed. You know what, it's just a very close relationship with, like, it's my mom. I don't want to say this, but yeah, she always said me that you cannot do this, and it's, you know what, very overwhelmed to me. And you know what, they are always sitting with the peoples which I don't like, and they're saying to them that she cannot do this, she's not listening to me, and always complaining. And whenever I woke up, I hear a sound which is kind of very weird sound for me when I wake up and hearing the sound. So yeah, this kinds of things. And literally I feel like I cannot do this anymore. And yeah, like, I want to do something, but I don't have a path, I don't have a way that how can I heal it, how can I make myself emotionally strong, and I'm not sharing anything. So yeah, can you tell me? Yeah, the one thing which I can, yeah, you know what, the one thing which I can control, which in my hands, that I have to make myself more strong financially, and they all will be get shut up. But I don't have a way. So can you teach me? Yeah. Oh yeah, Maya, you know. Oh, yeah, yeah, Maya, you know what? I have a very great skills in graphic designing. You're right. And yeah, I can learn graphic designing more. You know what, Maya? I have done so many projects in graphic designing. Yes, you know what, Maya? I started the graphic designing. I create a one posture for a person. I don't want to take her name in publicly and on live, but she's very humble. I created a one flyer for her and a one book cover, and she paid me 8,000, which is called 8,000 something, which is called $30 at that time. So yeah, this is the first achievement which I achieved because I searching and I finding the peoples who can do this for me. Sorry, makes me independent. So I did this, and I think I have to do it more, but I don't know why I'm not doing it. I'm just still thinking, and yeah, this is the reason. That thinking is the main reason. Yeah, this is what I know. Yeah, this is what I know. It is harder to build, but can you please give me the clear path or clear map that how can I take it? How can I build it? Okay, yeah. Great. Like I should have to find the clients and pitch them. So yes, thank you so much, Maya, for giving me your precious times. I learned a lot today. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.